Osmanthus Milk Oolong Tea is a unique and elegant tea blend that combines the rich, creamy notes of oolong with the floral sweetness of osmanthus flowers. This tea offers a smooth and comforting experience that is loved by tea enthusiasts worldwide. Oolong tea originates from the mountains of Taiwan and China, where it's prized for its unique fermentation process. Osmanthus, a fragrant flower often found in East Asia, adds a delightful, natural sweetness to the blend. This tea is known for its light, milky aroma and delicate floral notes. The oolong base has a full-bodied, slightly creamy flavor, while the osmanthus flowers add a subtle hint of apricot and honey. Each cup of osmanthus milk oolong is crafted from high-quality oolong leaves combined with osmanthus flowers. These ingredients are blended carefully to bring out the best of both flavors. To brew osmanthus milk oolong tea, start by heating water to around 90 C or 194 F. Add 1 teaspoon of tea leaves per cup and pour the hot water over the leaves. Allow the tea to steep for about 3 to 5 minutes. This lets the leaves release their rich, creamy flavors, while the osmanthus adds a floral aroma that's calming and inviting. As the tea steeps, you'll notice a wonderful fragrance. The creamy oolong combines with the apricot-like sweetness of osmanthus, creating a soothing aroma that's perfect for relaxation. With the first sip, you'll experience a smooth, balanced taste. The tea has a rich, milky base, with delicate floral and fruity undertones, making it both refreshing and comforting. Osmanthus milk oolong tea is ideal for a quiet afternoon or evening. It's a perfect way to unwind after a long day, providing both a moment of peace and a flavorful experience. Not only is this tea delicious, but it's also packed with antioxidants that can support digestion and relaxation. Thank you for exploring osmanthus milk oolong tea with us today. Remember to like and follow for more tea insights.